All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Cooking with Ruf cooking show on YouTube. And we are finally back in the home kitchen studio. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to show you how to make the Cooking with Ruf take on the Greek salad. In the next couple of videos, we're going to show you just some complimentary side items to your favorite summer dishes. We got a few weeks left of summer. We're going to amp it up with these summer side items. So we're going to show you the Cooking with Ruf Greek salad today. We're going to use these fresh ingredients and these seasonings, and we're going to show you how to ramp up any meal that you prepare when you add this side item to it. We're going to show you how to chop things up and get it all done today on Cooking with Ruf. All right, folks, let's go through these fresh ingredients that we are going to use to make this Cooking with Ruf version of the Greek salad. So in this dish, we have a fresh, obviously, yellow bell pepper. We've got fresh onion. We're going to use the juice from this lime. We got a fresh cucumber from the garden. In this container, we have some fresh cilantro. And in this container, we have some fresh cherry tomatoes. Once we get all of those items chopped to them, we're going to add some fresh ground Himalayan pink salt, some fresh ground black pepper, some Italian seasoning, and olive oil. And ladies and gentlemen, after that, we put all these things together. You better call it along, because there's going to be a flavor explosion in your kitchen. As I'm putting on this red apron for the first time in a little while, I am reminded that we have hit the 500 subscriber mark. And I know you've mentioned that on the channel a couple of times, but I really want to give back to my followers. So this is the final comment about 500 subscribers. The person who makes the best comment on this video will get a Cooking with Ruf red apron. All right, so if you want it, comment the best comment, and I'm going to be the one who selects it, and we'll get you your Cooking with Ruf red apron. Again, you can work on your ratios, add however much or however little you like. But Cooking with Ruf, I don't like cilantro. Again, it's up to you. You can add as much or as little, or don't even add it. You have the autonomy. All right, folks, we're gonna roll this lime around to get the juice flowing in there. Then we'll cut that bad boy in half, and we'll use that when it's time to put the lime juice over this salad. All right, folks, for the final step in making our Cooking with Ruf version of this Greek salad, we're gonna come in here. We've already got all the vegetables chopped. You've seen that. We're gonna add olive oil, again, to your liking. I will estimate in the description of the recipe how much it is, but olive oil is great for you, so you really can't go wrong there. We'll come back to it. We will add a little bit of salt. You have to be careful here because it's easy to over salt it, so you don't want to go too heavy. It's always, you can come back and add more if you need to, and then really can't go wrong on that black pepper. Pepper going, and then you come back with the the Italian seasoning, which has basil and oregano in it, by the way. Then we come on top of that, folks, and we squeeze in that lime juice. Man, look at that, y'all. Fresh ingredients, good for you. You can feel great about eating it. Look at that, man. Man, look at that. We'll add this other lime, half the lime as well. Then, folks, you just come in here with a big enough size spoon, and you just combine, toss these things and those flavors or those spices. Look at that, y'all. All those colors. All right, folks, we have reached the grand finale of today's episode of the Cooking with Ruf Greek salad. And it's time for us to get a little bit of the salad out, y'all. Place it into a container. And we are going to give it a taste. All right, folks, let's go in here and see what we're working with all these fresh ingredients. Y'all, you get the freshness, the crunch of all the vegetables and their flavors mixing together with that lime juice, the Italian seasoning, the olive oil, the onions. An absolute perfect complement to any of your summer dishes. We only got a few weeks left of this summer thing, y'all, so let's enjoy it. And we showed you how to get that Cooking with Ruf Greek salad done. And we did it all right here today on Cooking with Ruf.